We've just acquired this very rare Focus ST-3 Turbo Estate. That's what's rare. There's not many about in the Estate model. It's absolutely fantastic condition in gleaming black with anthracite alloy wheels. The twin exhausts at the back there. Park distance control. Lovely condition in the boot area. You can see the metallic just pings out. You've got the full leather seats with electric seats. Recaro. ST embossed. Heated seats too. Absolutely lovely condition. Climate control. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.